you still waiting for permission to become who you're meant to be? That version of you dormant, just waiting for the perfect moment. Think of the caterpillar. It doesn't anguish to fly. It painstakingly transforms, shedding its old self, trusting the process. How many dreams have we kept locked away, paralyzed by the fear of failure or worse, the fear of success? I once saw a tiny sapling burst through concrete, its will to grow stronger than any obstacle. Your past doesn't define your potential. What if your comfort zone is actually the greatest cage you'll ever build for yourself? Isn't it time to dismantle it? Every skyscraper, every innovation, every masterpiece started with a single, often terrifying, first step into the unknown. Transformation isn't a single event. It's a relentless series of small, brave actions, day after challenging day. Stop planning, stop perfecting. What is one small, uncomfortable step you can take right now to move forward? Your journey isn't just for you. Your courage lights the way for others, creating a ripple effect of possibility. Break free from the what if and step into the what is. Your future is waiting for you to build it.